How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are picking up right where we left off in the last video. We're going to San Diego today, and what makes something a little bit special about this trip to San Diego is not only are we with family, but Priscilla and I the last couple of weeks have been really considering moving to San Diego next year. So I'm gonna be using this trip as kind of like a be in the right mindset of if we lived here, this is what it would be like. Now we've been to San Diego before, but not with this mentality. So that's the plan for me today. Babe, what's your plan this weekend in San Diego? We have one full day.
My whole plan is to convince you that we absolutely need to move to San Diego because it is 100% necessary for us.
I love it.
For future and opportunities, so
I will say,
now's the time to do it.
I will say, this is not her trying to convince me that we need to move away. Moving away was my idea. This is something that I brought to her, asking her, saying like, hey, I really want to shake things up, have some change in our lives, push ourselves. We're 25 and 26 years old, and I just want to I want to challenge. I kind of want to be scared a little bit with pushing ourselves, doing something that's not fully comfortable. I've been in Sacramento for 6 years, and I love Sacramento so much. I really do feel like it's home, but I'm ready to shake things up. I've always wanted to move to SoCal. I love the city, and she loves the beach, and I feel like San Diego is just a perfect mix of everything. So I'm excited to kind of look at San Diego in a new light on this trip, and I know we're gonna get some coffee, and we're gonna hang out with some bunnies later, like coffee and bunnies. That's gonna be cool. We might run into her friend later. I'm not sure if she'll be in the video. We have some fun things planned. We're also gonna kind of go on a whim and just explore, and I'll show you guys our hotel. It's not like luxury like the Viv out here in Anaheim. Shout out to Viv, you guys have been amazing. But I haven't stayed there. Priscilla stayed there a couple weeks ago, and she said this hotel that we're going to is really cool, and it's just cute. So I'm really excited to show you guys this hotel and all that it comes with, and let's just enjoy a gloomy day in Southern California. You don't get these often, so I'm very excited. Let me give you guys a fit check. All right, so I'm rocking the same hat from Disneyland. Priscilla picked this one out, and she really likes it. I really like it too. It was a gift from my buddy Giovanni and Tegan, so shout out them. You guys will be seeing them later this month when we go to Halloween Horror Nights. I got my Lulu fanny pack. I have this shirt that I think I got from Abercrombie, maybe? It's just a button up, it looks nice. Got some just classic, I think 501 Levi's. And then my dirty On Clouds. And Priscilla wants me to change into my clogs that I brought, which I might. I just don't know how much walking we're gonna do, but I'll have them on me, and I also have some Nikes in the car, so we'll just kind of feel it out. That is my fit check. Let's go check out Priscilla's fit for the day.
Check.
Okay, fit check for you.
Jacket is from Garage. Shirt is from Amazon. I was telling Jaden I feel a little bit bulky just because this jacket is so big, it's actually really warm. And then this shirt is obviously just a little poof, so whatever. But I really like the back because it has a little tie. It's like $20.
It's cute, Amazon.
And then my shorts are from Abercrombie, rocking the Sambas again. Earrings are from TJ Maxx, and
you know what we need to get you? We need to get you a necklace.
I forgot my jewelry box. I just got a really cute necklace from San Diego 3 weeks ago, and I forgot it.
I was thinking about what to get you for our anniversary. I want to get you a piece of jewelry. I'm like, you just got a necklace from San Diego. I just got you a bracelet. You just bought new earrings. I could get you a brand new jewelry box. I hear for 5 years you're supposed to get a wooden item because wood is a structure or foundation after 5 years.
Where did you see that?
I looked it up. I was like, what do you get someone for 5 years? And it said that. Yeah, guys, 5 years on Tuesday the 30th. So by the time this video goes up, we would have already been together for 5 years. So drop a little comment. All right, let's go to San Diego. It's gloomy outside. All right, we made it to San Diego. It was an hour and 45-minute drive. There was so much traffic. It shouldn't have been that long, but we just got here and we found parking. We got really lucky with parking. And now we're just walking over to the actual Bunny Cafe. Our reservation is in 5 minutes, so it's perfect time. It's so humid, hot. This is so cool. Here's their menu if you guys want to look. What'd you get?
I got one of their signature drinks, but it's a lavender matcha. I think it's called the Forager.
It looks so cool. That's probably fresh lavender too.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
Yep. It's really yummy.
Thank you so much. Forager. And my pumpkin spice.
How sweet it can be if you.
And now we're heading across the street because like they have puppies at Metropolis. So far, so good, babe, for convincing me to move here. This is looking good. Oh my gosh. Right across from the bunnies. This is perfect. Oh my gosh. We're about to go home with the puppy. All right, it's a bit windy because we're kind of just right by the water in like this little peninsula area. But we got to Pacific Beach where we're getting lunch. We're going to a place called Single Fin. Never been, but her sister found it online, so we're gonna go check it out. There's not a lot of parking on the street. There was a lot right next door, and it was $25 for 2 hours, and that's like at least one full meal for one of us, so it just wasn't worth it. So we ended up parking a little bit of ways. It's only like a quarter mile, like 10-minute walk, so it's a nice day. So we're just gonna make a walk. The fresh air is honestly really nice and feels good for me, so it's not too bad. We got our coffee.
Does you some good to be by like ocean breeze.
Does that do anything?
I think so.
Oh.
I think that's a thing.
I don't know. We're gonna find out. Yeah, I feel, it doesn't sound like it, but I feel like I'm at like the end of the sickness where it's like everything's just trying to come out, all the mucus and everything. So I feel like I'm almost there. Got sick, like symptoms started the night before we left. So just my luck. But I'll be back soon anyways. So it's not too bad. I got the burger, fries, onion rings, tomato on it. We'll take that tomato off. Got a beer. What'd you get?
I got the shrimp ceviche.
Have you tried it yet?
It's really good.
It is good? This looks and smells great. And it's nice to have it on a piece of wood. It's like cooler than a plate. Some like berry aioli. Oh my god. Wow. That looks really good.
It looks yummy.
That's so good. You gotta get berry aioli on it. It looks like we're gonna rent bikes. They have rollerblades, bikes, longboards, skateboards, e-bikes. I think so, yeah. I think we're gonna do a cruiser. Me and her are doing cruisers.
Cruisers?
Yeah. Alright, it's 11:45 at night and we haven't done a room tour yet of our hotel in San Diego. So here it is for you. We're staying at the Town and Country. So there's like a little whiteboard here. So we've been in the hotel for a couple hours now, so I apologize for our luggage and stuff, but here's just an overview. We have a 1 king and it has a sofa that does not turn into a bed, but it is a sofa. And then a love seat, our king bed, which honestly looks like a cow king. Like it's pretty massive. Already plugged in our chargers and things. So nightstands, outlets galore. Flat screen LG TV. I don't think it's a smart TV, we didn't try, but I know there's HDMI, so you could always plug in your own device. Plenty of storage, a desk. She did her makeup here earlier. And there's like a little chair here, which is nice. But this like hangout area is really cool. And then one of the best parts is that every room in this hotel has a private balcony. So let me show you. You just come out, 2 chairs, a table, and then look at that, the view of the pool. And we did eat dinner here tonight. I didn't vlog the whole experience. It was just kind of like a family dinner. It was really sweet. So I had dinner tonight at the restaurant called Arlo, and Arlo was incredible. It was super good. I ordered the pork chop, which I never do, and it was incredible. Our server was Anthony, and he was just fantastic. It made it so fun. I will say the very best thing that we had the whole night was it was a s'mores cheesecake. It was insane. It was like cold cheesecake. It was a layer of chocolate, and then they put a marshmallow on it and like toasted the marshmallow. It was stupid good. But it's so cool. There's a water slide over there for adults and kids. All these cabanas, a little pool there, giant pool, and then the hot tub that went into. Another bar and restaurant there. And then way out there is like a bar, the restaurant we had dinner at, bunch of fire pits, ping pong table, cornhole. You look over here, they have beach volleyball, and then just tons of grass areas. Tons of little grass areas to hang out in. Like I said, every room has a balcony, and it's all facing the inner part of the property, which is really nice. And yeah, this is in like the hotel circle, I think it's called. So there's just tons of hotels everywhere, but so nice. I love it. We have a great experience here, me and Priscilla do, and I just love it. The bathroom's a little bit outdated. I'll see if she's still in there. There's just like a little closet. There's a little fridge under there, a little tray for ice, a sink out here, which is nice. There's also one in the bathroom. You have a Keurig here, which I may or may not use in the morning. I don't usually use them in the hotels, but I might just do it. Sorry, again, our room is a mess because we've been here for a couple hours and been getting ready, but this is the overview of our room. Priscilla's getting ready for bed in the bathroom, so I won't even show, but it's very plain, very simple. Sink, toilet, shower. Shower head's a bit short. It does come with all the soaps, so it comes with body wash, shampoo, conditioner, things like that. A little bit outdated, but overall, I really do enjoy the hotel, and I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. Her sisters aren't having the best experience. Their room was not as clean and not exactly what they paid for. So her experience is a little bit different, but mine has been fantastic. But anyways, that's it for today. Tomorrow we go home. We're gonna try to leave by 8 a.m. because we have about a 7.5 hour drive. We will catch up with you guys tomorrow, probably on the drive, or just when we get back to the apartment. We'll go ahead and wrap up the vlog from there. Good morning in a very gloomy San Diego. It's Sunday, I think the 28th, as you can tell. Gotta rep the Niners. Oh, look at this. It's literally a swamp. That's so gross, but also really cool. Huh. Super gloomy out. There's supposed to be an air show today. I wonder if it's still gonna go on. Our hotel is right over there. I'm crossing under these bridges because I'm going to the Fashion Valley Mall, which is really close to our hotel. It's they say a 9-minute walk, but it's actually like 2 minutes. But I'm picking up coffee for Priscilla and I from Better Buzz Coffee. We've had it one time out here in San Diego. We've been here to Fashion Valley Mall before, not in the vlog, but we've been out here. Last year we visited her brother in San Diego, and he was living out here, which now you guys know he lives in Sacramento with us. Not with us, but in Sacramento. And we just came here just shopping, just checking it out. It was our first time coming, but now that we're back, it's funny to know that we just stayed at this hotel across the street and we didn't even know it back when we came here. So picking up our coffee. This place gets really busy, so I had to order ahead. It's only 9:14 in the morning, so I don't think the full mall is actually open, especially on a Sunday, but at least the coffee is open. I'm gonna pick it up, take it back to the room, and then we're gonna get started back on our journey back to Sacramento. Really good trip. I just wish I wasn't sick. Being sick kind of messed things up a bit, but it happens. Unpredictable, and gotta go with the flow. Priscilla is a little sick now. She picked up what I had, which is a bummer, but she made it through the trip and she got to feel good, so that's always good. I'm glad for that. Glad she didn't have to feel what I was feeling the whole time. It's not every day you come to an empty mall. This is bizarre. Just the music and there's nobody here but me. Princess Polly. Priscilla loves Princess Polly. I think we're fairly close. She loves Addicted. Oh, she's gonna be so mad that that's here. I have to get a picture of it. She loves Addicted. We went to the one at the Grove. That's so cool. Well, now she knows. I see better buzz. All right, I'll pick you back up when we get back. You want to sign us off?
Bye, sunny San Diego.
This is the sunny San Diego.
You're good to us.
She's a little sicky today.
I'm really sicky. My throat is...
Which she claimed to get her sore throat from me, although I never had a sore throat. She also has body aches. I never had body aches, so.
And I just got the flu shot too. You would have thought.
That's why, because
Would
I
make-
probably
you
got the
would
flu.
miss me, but no.
I probably got the flu and you have something else. Time to go home. Thank you guys for watching. We have a lot of really cool stuff coming really soon. So, from San Diego, sayonara.